Okay, I'm off to see a new client today, which I'm actually excited about because we have a very similar style, and that's always fun. I love to try new things, but I also really love the things that I know. So I'm on my way there. They only live like 15 minutes away from me, so super easy. And today I'm just gonna measure, talk through the design a little bit, and then from there we'll kind of start shopping. This should be a pretty quick, straightforward, easy one. They kind of have like more of a minimalist style, so it shouldn't be too hard to find because I don't think we'll be buying too much stuff. More so figuring out how to get things organized and like just as minimal as possible in the room, and then finding like little cute pieces to style. Pay attention to what I'm doing, and yeah, that should be it. So I'm excited to get this project started, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So here is the client's house, and I really love what they did with their living room, so I asked them if I could share this with you. They did not want to be filmed and on camera for the most part, so that was totally fine, but I did get permission to share this with you, and I just love the way they decorated their living room. So here is their bedroom before. They were feeling a little stuck when it came to the bedroom. I love that they have incredible style, but for some reason they didn't feel like they wanted to decorate their own bedroom, which is totally fine with me because I was super excited to take on this project. All they wanted to purchase as far as furniture was a new dresser and some new nightstands. They wanted to be able to repurpose the bed. They planned to get a little like rocking chair for the corner because they are having a baby, and so they just wanted to prepare their room for the baby that's coming. So that's where I come in. So the first thing that I did on day one was just take some pictures and videos and take some measurements of the room so that I can start plotting and planning. Okay, so I'm back at the house for day two. I'm going to paint. That's why I look like this. So I'm going to take you guys along for painting. So we decided to go with this color, and these are all the swatches that she took. And this is the color that we're going with. It's almost hard to tell on camera that it's painted, but yeah, it's pretty much all done. Ceiling is the same color, so some parts are still drying. That's why you see like little parts like that. I went up through to just do like a little touch up, but generally it's mostly done. I wish you guys could see in person because the color is so good, but it honestly just looks the same on camera. So hopefully when I can show you in the light, it'll be a little bit more clear, but the color is great. I think this may be my new favorite color. I think the name is just Woolskin, but it's a beige color. So anyway, I love it. I hope you guys love it, and it'll all come together once the decor is in here, and probably a different time of day you'll see it a little better, but it looks really great. And it took me till, I think I was here from 9:30 and it's like 3:30 now. So this paint is actually really good. I pretty much had to do like 1.5 coats, I would say. It was like one solid coat and then some touch-ups. I did it all in one can. So that's pretty good for this size room with the ceiling and all the doors. I did the whole room with one can. Once I finished cleaning everything up and putting all the blinds back on, it was time to call it a night. Okay, so we're back at the house for day two. And we have all of our decor pieces now to start styling. So this is the nightstands I got. We found these on Facebook Marketplace. They actually found these. I had sent them a couple options, but they kind of fell through. And so, yeah, everything is here. We have our rug, our bed cover, linen bed topper, curtains, and our shades are there. So these are the new shades that we got. So they're a neutral color, but still light blocking. These actually have the same top as the ones that we got rid of, so I'm wondering if they will fit in the same holder. So as far as this window, we are going to stick with the curtains, but we decided to go all the way floor to ceiling just to make the room feel a little bit more luxurious and a little bit more high end. And then we also wanted to go with a lighter color since she's kind of done with the green. We went with a linen color, and these ones are blackout curtains for the baby. And then we didn't get the sheer curtains, but we're gonna hang a double curtain rod here. And then whenever they're ready financially to add some sheer curtains, they'll add some more. We kind of worked around budget. That's not uncommon for me with my clients. And so I'll just leave them things that they can change along the way when they get more money and time permits. So next up, I put up our wall sconces. She actually requested having some, so we picked some out from Amazon that went with her aesthetic as well. And this is a great way to add light fixtures to your space without having to break open any walls. We just got ones that didn't need to be hardwired, and they're just plug in. And then since they're going over the bed, we're just going to neatly hang the wire against the wall and plug it in behind the bed. So next, I had to lay the rug, and this was one of the hardest parts of this bedroom because their bed was so extremely heavy. They had like a special sort of mattress, and for some reason, it was the biggest struggle trying to get this rug under the bed. So I had to actually end up pulling the whole mattress off of the bed so that I could slide this rug underneath the bed frame. And then it was time to bring our nightstands in, and this really started to pull the room together. And since they didn't want to replace the bed, but we did want to change out the color of the headboard, we grabbed this from Amazon, which is just a headboard cover, just to change up the texture and the color. Have this photo, which is so beautiful of them, and I'm gonna stain. It's made out of wood, so I'm gonna stain this frame because it's a little bit dingy. So I'm gonna stain it with a walnut, special walnut. So I'm just gonna tape the edge on the inside and then stain the frame. And I think we're gonna go right over the bed with it. And now just the final touches. I put this dresser back in the room, although we ordered a brand new one. It wouldn't arrive for about 2 months after the date that I was finishing, so they're just gonna put that and the rocking chair in there later. So something that I recently started doing with my clients is I like to write them a little card and pray over their space to bless their space and just give them a scripture or an encouraging word that I feel like God is giving me for them. And so for this couple, I definitely, a scripture that I love to pray over babies or people with children is Isaiah 54 verse 13. So I wrote that in their little card. And then I also wrote it on the back of the gift that I was leaving them. So I'll either give people a gift from my stash that I feel like would look really nice in their space or is their style, or I will order something for them. And so then I felt like this little set of shelves that's super cute from my stash would be perfect for this room. And so I did offer to hang them if they wanted me to come back and hang them, but they didn't decide yet where they wanted to put them. So I just left these there and left them a little note and a thank you for letting me decorate their space. And that's a wrap on that project. It was such a fun project. Candy loved the room when she came in. Actually, as I was leaving, she came in. Got to see her reaction to the room. I didn't get to film it, but she loved it, and it was such a sweet response. She was just like, oh my gosh. So yeah, anyway, it was so sweet. I wish I could have shown you guys, but I missed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like and follow for more. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.
Wow. She worked hard.
She did.
Wow. Wow. Did they change this? No, they didn't change it. She changed that. Wow. Impressive.